Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone. Love with heart. How much you miss it. And you miss it. And you miss it. And you miss it. And you did it right from the start.
They listed all the cars from worst to best. Camrys, Fords, Chevys, and then German cars at the back. The brand new Volkswagen e-Golf. Totally electric Golf. GM is as cheap as always with their cars. Everybody's obsessed with these for some reason. It's a hunk of plastic. Disgusting. It's like some fake wood here. Tiny cup holders. Plastic. It doesn't even feel that nice. Look at that. It's not even. Oh, it is touchscreen. It's the most unresponsive touchscreen ever, though. Jesus. Here's another Buick piece of shit. Oh boy. It's all plastic everywhere. GM can't even put good materials. Okay, you open that and then you want to close it, but then this is open. And Jesus. It's a real Shelby Cobra. No way. Let's see, we have a new Continental GT over here. Pretty nice. Let's see, a Silver Spur, Flying Spur, Bentley Bentayga, a few Lamborghinis, and a Rolls-Royce Cullinan. Then a Wraith, nice Rolls-Royce grills.
And you did it right from the start. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone and missing someone is as normal. Missing someone.
So quiet in that car. Yeah, look at the Subarus. Oh, fit your dog in the back. Yeah, this is the special Rockport edition.
It only goes 35 miles an hour.
Perfect for carrying dogs.
Missing someone.
Genesis is pretty nice, honestly. Oh no, going inside the Honda Clarity. Plastic, Alcantara. It's a knockoff GTI. Yeah, this thing is incredibly cheap feeling. Just, uh-oh. There's lasers. I'm getting out of this. Oh god, I gotta run. The only car at the car show with hubcaps. This may be like the most ridiculous car we've been in.
Have any of the crappy stuff.
I know, it's like an actual truck with no steering lock. This is absolutely unnecessary. I mean, yeah, there's a lot of room for these back seats, you know? I mean, I have like a morsel of leg room.
I am sad and so low. I am sad and so low. Did it right from the start. Missing someone is as normal. Missing someone and missing someone is as normal. Missing someone. Love with all your heart. missing someone.
Alright, so the car show was pretty fun, and shout out to our waiter at Tasty Burgers. She's really nice. She actually wrote down my YouTube channel because she saw my whole camera rig and whatnot. So make sure to subscribe on screen somewhere now. Like for more videos like this. Car show was really great. I think my favorite car by far was the Audi A8. You could not hear anything inside when you were inside it. And it was really cool. And overall, the Audi section was definitely my favorite, just because I'm an Audi fan, and you know, pretty awesome cars. So yeah, bye.